Cow milk. Milk dairy A2 milk and ghee products manufactures A2 milk powder, buttermilk, curd, cheese, chocolate and sweet. Manufacturers ban as Simul, Gopal Dairy, NDBD, Amul, Mahi, etc. Pharmaceuticals, immunity boosters, powder, capsule and liquid dung manufacturers. Dairy machineries, dairy plants, dairy equipments, laboratory testing machine and chemical manufacturers. Cosmetic, cream, lotion, Upton, ointment, hair oil manufacturers. Milk marketing companies, cooperatives, NGOs versus cow urine. Urine, ARK, phenol, soap, shampoo and cosmetic manufacturers. Biopesticides, bioculture, medicine, Sanjeevani Ras, immunity boosters, urine products, etc. manufacturers, machineries and spare parts machineries for above products. Marketing companies, cow dung, cosmetic and household eco-friendly items such as cow dung diya, idols of goddess and goddesses are great personalities, photo frame, clock, nameplate, table piece, cup, pen stand, board, keychain, rakhi, mala, sleepers, agarbatti, Dhoop sticks, Agnihotra items, pots, sticks, and mosquitoes. Specific items such as cow dung, plaster, bricks, plywood, paint, cast paper, machineries, molds, and dyes manufacturers for above products and markets. V bioenergy, biofertilizer, bioculture, manure, prom, bio-DAPA manufacturers, etc. Biogas, bio-CNG, electricity, CO2, and H2 manufacturers. Machinery manufacturers for above all plants, marketers and consultants, Bullock Energy, cattle feed and fooder manufacturers of fooder seeds, sapling products, nursery, machinery manufacturers for cattle feeding companies, GST Development Institutes like NGOs, IGFRI, veterinary medicines, oral and injectable medicines, pharma companies, veterinary medicine manufacturers, Ayurveda, homeopathy, and the vet medical manufacturers, pharma equipments, veterinary surgical instruments, diagnostics kits, laboratory devices, and plant machineries, medicines for human beings, immunity boosters, health tonics, and nutrical medicines, oral and liquid panchavaya medicines, Ayurvedic medicines companies, machineries, and manufacturers for above all, Garo Sanskar centers, Panchagavya clinics, and Gavya Siddha doctors. Marketers, cow-based natural farming, seeds, manufacturers, toxin-free fruits, vegetables, agricultural products. Pharma and agriculture equipments, manufacturer distributors. Agroforestry, KVK, ATMAR, KVY, ICAR institutes, etc. Cow breeding and genetics. Cow breeders, bull mother, farm owners, genetic breedings. Technology equipments, artificial insemination gun, simation, sexed semen dose, producers companies, embryo transfer technology companies, state livestock development boards, farms, NDRI, NBGAR, IVRV, Research and Development Institution, Central and State Livestock Development Boards, Veterinary Agriculture, Organic Kamadhenu, Ayurvedic College, Universities and Research Investigation. Indigenous cow breeding farms, NDRI, NBGAR, Cow Hostel, GAU Gram, Kamadhenu, Nagar. Builders and developers, V Gaushala and Panjaropols to be Atmanirbhar self-reliant. IT and networking companies for veterinary practices, Gaushala management and allied services. Gaushala and Panjaropols to be Atmanirbhar self-reliant. Services, cow industry parks, Builder and Development Skill Development Center, EDII, CED, Private Enterprises, Motivators Consultants, V Project Consultant and Financiers, NRI and foreign companies to visit in indigenous cow-based industries, Chamber of Commerce, state chapters, FICCI, cooperatives, NGO forms and associations, AXM companies. Startups, innovations, and incubator industries under Make in India for green and clean energy,